जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान. We are at Uttarkand, right? That is the 7th Kand of Ramcharitramanas. Ramcharitramanas, Ramayan, has 7 divisions. So Uttarkand is the last. And I would like to take the meaning of Uttarkand as the Kand of answers. Uttar has a lot of other meanings, but the Kand of answers, where Kagbhusundi is answering to Garudji and Shivji is answering queries from Ma Parvati. And we have reached Doha number 62 in Uttarkand, right? In this, we witnessed that Garud, this is how it started, Garud had a delusion. पता है delusion हम सबको हो जाता है. And suddenly, after so many years, I remember the story of Pepper in the Dark, right? There was a session going on for the children, and the task was to explain delusion to them, right? तो अब delusion कैसे समझाएं? हम ही नहीं समझ पाते कई बार delusion. You know, मोह, that delusion, मोह is, attachment is caused because of delusion. Because we feel this is mine, that is not mine. This is good, that is not good. This should happen, that should not happen. Right? We have an opinion about what is right and what is wrong, what should happen and what should not happen, and how things should be. Right? तो अब बच्चों को कैसे समझाएं? Right? So the story started with Pepper in the Dark. Right? And this is, देखिए वेदों में भी ना बहुत सरल तरह से सब कुछ समझाया जाता है. The explanations are very simple. These are not topics of rocket science where super intelligence is needed. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. These are very simple topics, understandable by the masses. अगर हम समझना चाहें तो. The problem does not arise in our understanding. The problem arises in our acceptance of what we have heard. We are mostly in denial. We prefer to live in denial. And the saying goes, right? Ignorance is bliss. मस्त रहो मस्ती में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. छोड़ो, जाने दो. Right? So over here, Pepper also had a delusion. How did Pepper have a delusion? He was sleeping, and many children are afraid of the dark. Many older people are also afraid of the dark. It is okay. So the lights were switched off, and suddenly Pepper felt that there is a ghost in the room. And he yelled and screamed that there is a ghost, there is a ghost, there is a ghost. Bhoot hai kamre mein. The mother came running and she switched on the light. When she switched on the light, she asked, "What is wrong? Where is the ghost?" And Pepper said, "He was still just here, but now I realize there was no ghost. It was just the window was open and the curtains were blowing. In the dark, I felt as if the curtains, the blowing curtains, were a ghost." But in reality, the mother said, "Dekho, there is no ghost. It is just a curtain being blown by the wind." This is a very important concept of Vedanta. Rassi and Sap, when you're crawling, when you are walking in the dark, suddenly you'll shout. You might feel that there is a snake crawling in front of you. And when suddenly the lights are turned on, what happens? We realize that it was just a rope. There was no snake. The pole and the ghost, in the dark, the pole also appears like the ghost. But when there is light, we realize, I was imagining the ghost, I was imagining the snake, I was imagining things, when actually this is a pole, that was the curtain, and this was the snake. Right? तो क्या है मतलब? जो है वो हमें दिखता नहीं है, और जो नहीं है उसको देख के हम परेशान होते रहते हैं. This is delusion. भ्रम, मोह, जो गरुड़ जी को हो गया था. जो है वो नहीं दिख रहा, और जो नहीं है उसको देख के हम परेशान हो रहे हैं. And that is the condition of all of us. We are getting scared of a ghost and a snake which are not there. Why? Because there is darkness. And when the light of wisdom dawns, हमने बोला था ना, when the light of wisdom dawns, how? सत्संगति, सत्संग, निरंतर 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 हरि कथा, being in the company of good, because it is very easy for us, this flame of devotion, the flame of devotion to die if we are taken away from satsang and satsangati. Just like the piece of wood, if taken away from the fireplace, right? What happens? It becomes extinguished. आग चली जाती है, फिर वापस क्या करना पड़ता है उसको? वापस लकड़ियों के बीच में आग में डालना पड़ता है, so that it lights up again. Let's pray to God कि He never takes us away from this fire. Fire of satsangati, fire of satsang, because it is very easy to get extinguished. है ना? वो जो हमें लगता है ना कि अब तो लौ जल गई है, अब तो ये दिया नहीं है, अब तो ये आग बन गई है, कुछ नहीं है. टेक्स अ मिनट, एक हवा का झोंका आएगा, ये सारी आग हट जाएगी. राइट? सो गरुड़ जी को शिव जी ने क्या बोला था? In this process, when Garud had a delusion, what was the delusion? Sri Ram was tied in the Nagfash and they felt कि अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? सृष्टि के रचयिता, he is the Adi, Madhya and Ant, and how can anybody tie him? His name is enough to liberate us from this shackles of life and death. So how is it that he is tied? And that invoked a doubt. And that doubt did not let him fly back to Vaikunth Dham. संभव ही नहीं है वो ऊंचाई बढ़ना अगर मन में लेश मात्र भी अहंकार आ जाए. Even a bit of ego is heavy enough to keep us from reaching the Lord. Right? Even a bit of vice, even a bit of vikar. So what did he do? He, knowing that the only way to eradicate or remove this doubt, this ego, is to go to a saint. So he went to Narad Muni. सीधा पहुंचे नारद मुनि और कहीं नहीं गए. And this is one of the biggest lesson. जब हमारे मन में संदेह आता है, doubt आता है, when we are surrounded by agony, whom do we turn to? That changes everything in our life. When we are in a situation and we need guidance, we need advice, we need somebody to hear, whom do we turn to? देखिए, जिसकी सोच जैसी होगी वैसा ही वो आपको गाइड करेगा ना. तो now over here he had no doubt. He went directly to the saint, नारद मुनि के पास सीधा पहुंचे. But Narad Muni, as we realize that Narad Muni sent him to Shivji and Shivji sent him to Brahmaji and he went to Shivji first, right? शिवजी नहीं, पहले नारद मुनि के पास गए, फिर शिवजी के पास गए. Let me not confuse the sequence. When he went to Narad Muni was quiet. Why? Because he said कि this is something that has happened to me also. कई बार हमें लगता है ना कि when we are not delusion free, हम किसी को delusion free कैसे कर सकते हैं, right? So Narad Muni also had a doubt. The minute he came with delusion, the minute he came कि मेरे साथ में ऐसा हो गया है, the minute he came कि ego का attack आ गया है, I am suffering, the biggest illness has taken over me, Narad Muni says, oh my goodness, आप तो जाइए शिव जी के पास या ब्रह्मा जी के पास जाइए. क्यों? क्योंकि he remembered that he is also not free. There was a time when Narad Muni thought he had conquered काम, right? Conquered lust, right? Conquered desires for anything. Because जब वो बैठे थे in a cave and he was doing his chintan, Kamdev came and tried to lure him. And he did not get lured, he did not get disturbed. He was sitting in that avastha of meditation. Nothing happened to him. The thought of Lord did not leave him. So the minute this happened, Kamdev said, "You are great. I even touched Shivji and I could not touch you." The minute Kamdev said this, कोई हमारी तारीफ कर देता है ना, तो हमें बोलना चाहिए, प्लीज हमें बख्शो. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस, ईगो आ जाती है. निंदक नियरे राखिए. जो बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ करता है ना, उनको बोलिए आप थोड़ा दूर रहिए. राइट? बिकॉज एन ईगो क्रीप्स इन. हमें तो लगता है कि जो हमारी तारीफ करे वो हमारे साथ रहे, बट द पर्सन हु इज सेइंग बैड अबाउट मी शुड बी अवे. नहीं नहीं नहीं. फाइंड दोज पीपल हु फाइंड फॉल्ट्स इन यू. बोला आ जाओ आ जाओ. दे विल ऑलवेज कीप यू ग्राउंडेड. राइट? तो इसमें उनको एकदम से ईगो आ गया. एंड देन ही रश टू हूम? ही रश टू ब्रह्मा जी. ही टोल्ड द एंटायर टेल. ब्रह्मा जी सेड, मुझे तो बता दिया और किसी को मत बताना. He said, क्यों नहीं बताऊं? When I am doing something good, I've accomplished something good, how is it possible? Why should I keep it to myself? Normal tendency, right? कि हाँ, we will go tom about the smallest things that we have done. बहुत. There is a beautiful songs, some songs are so loving. I'll share it. Unknown graves. It is best to die in an unknown grave. ये चाह जो होती है ना कि लोग जाने, हमारा नाम हो, right? It's not good. It is best are those people who are lying in unknown graves. किसी को पता ही नहीं है. Right? I'll share the song after the session. And so he went to Shivji. Now Shivji said, very good, Tathastu, you are excellent, you are the best, but you have told me, now don't go and tell Vishnuji. He said, why shouldn't I tell Vishnuji? When I have done something remarkable, everybody should know. He went to Vishnuji directly. And he told Vishnuji. Vishnuji ने बोला, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I am so proud of you. Right? But see, भगवान को ना, if he is a true teacher and if God really loves you na, he will make sure that situations arise in which you are able to improvise and leave your vices behind. So जब नारद मुनि ये बोल के निकले, when he was walking, what did he see? He saw a beautiful kingdom. And it was the kingdom of Shilanithi, right? And he went down. He wanted to see this amazing, beautiful kingdom, right? So when he went down, he was mesmerized by the kingdom. He was mesmerized by the parks. Moreover, he was mesmerized by the princess, Vishwa Mohini, right? And then he realized that there is going to be a swambar, right? Because when the king came, when Narad Muni came, the king said, I am looking for a good groom for my daughter, Vishwa Mohini. Can you please look at her Janampatri, look at her hand, tell me who will he be and how will he be and kaisa hoga? Narad Muni says he will be the most handsome person. And the minute he looked at Vishwa Mohini, that desire to have her as his partner arised in Narad Muni's heart. And he rushed back to Vishnuji. He said, देखिए मैं तो ठहरा साधु सन्यासी, सीधे सीधे वस्त्र पहनते हैं, तैयार होना कुछ आता नहीं है. I do not know how to dress up. Can you teach me? And can you make me as amazing looking as you? मुझे एकदम हरी जैसे दिखना चाहिए. प्रभु ने बोला तथास्तु, right? And then there was a swambar. To cut the long story short, everybody laughed at him. She also thought, ये कहाँ से आ गए? And she went and garlanded Vishnuji. Narad Muni got so angry. And by chance, he looked at his face and he realized कि हरि को ना बंदर भी बोलते हैं. प्रभु ने बोला तथास्तु. So he was given a face of a monkey. So in this anger, you know what he did? He cursed the Lord himself. Ki the face that you have given me and those, you made everybody laugh on this monkey face. One day you will need these very Vanars to help you. And because you have taken away somebody so dear from me, one day you will also roam around crying for your beloved. I curse you, O Lord. जिस विष्णु जी की आराधना करते हुए नारायण 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 करते हुए वो सृष्टि में बरसों बरसों से सालों सालों से युगों युगों से घूम रहे, उन्हीं को ही cursed because of this delusion. And the minute this happened, everything vanished. Everything vanished. And Lakshmi ji was standing there. And he realized it was just a delusion, it was just a creation, it was just a play so that my ego could be controlled. उन्हें बोला था ना कि काम cannot touch me. See, I am great. And he apologized And he was so regretful. इतनी आपत्ति हुई कि I've cursed my own Lord. But words once spoken, he said, don't worry. That also has a reason. You need not blame yourself for what I'll go through during Ram Avatar. What is said, because जो संत बोल देते हैं वो होता है. But that was needed. But I loved you so dearly, Narad Muni, that I had to create this situation so that you realize that nobody is immune to it. And you were caught by ego. So when Garud went to Narad Muni, this thought came to him. He said, एक बार नहीं, दो बार. There are many instances when the Lord has set him right again. He said, I am not free from delusion. I also get caught. मैं तुम्हें क्या ज्ञान दूंगा? Right? And then he went to Shivji. And Shivji, all those reasons that we talked about, right? There was one more tiny reason that we did not cover last class. He remembered कि जब समुंदर मंथन हुआ था, right? When Samundar Manthan had happened, Amrit जब निकला था, we are not going to get into the story, आपको सुननी हो तो आप सुन लीजिएगा समुंदर मंथन की कहानी में. When the Samundar Manthan happened and lots of things came out of the ocean between the demons and the devas, अमृत भी आया था, तो अमृत को बांटना था, तो अमृत को बांटने के लिए प्रभु ने विश्व मोहिनी नहीं मोहिनी का रूप लिया था. This was विश्व मोहिनी, this was मोहिनी. And at that time, Shivji got deluded and he was like, oh my God, so beautiful, who is she? Right? उनको एकदम से याद आ गया कि I am also not immune. Right? तो saying all this, तुम जाओ, go somewhere else. And ब्रह्मा जी का तो हमने सुन ही लिया था, तो ब्रह्मा जी ने भी मना कर दिया. And for various other reasons, he was sent to काकभुसुंडी. तो सब लोगों को लगा कि how can I? नहीं. And he reached Kagbhusundi. And it is said over here, the minute he entered, this beautiful aura. We all have an aura around us. हमें कई बार लगता है ना, why is it that that person is behaving so badly with me when I have not said anything? Check your aura. Check your aura. Words तो बहुत बाद में पहुंचते हैं, हमारी aura पहले पहुंच जाती है, हमारे भाव पहले पहुंच जाते हैं. Right? So many a times I have never said anything but your aura. But your bhav? See, words are futile. These are so unnecessary in communication, but they are needed right now because कहते हैं ना, words are all I have to take your heart away right now. But there is silence as a very strong language which we are unable to speak at times. इसी के लिए हमें शब्दों का सहारा लेना पड़ता है. The aura spreads before anything else. And even when the person has not come into the aura, the thought, what feelings do we harbor for that other person has already reached the person the minute that feeling has arisen. And then the reaction starts. तो हम सोचते हमने तो कुछ नहीं बोला, मैं तो मिली ही नहीं. सोचा ना, भाव पहुंच गए. Lightning speed. So over here, the minute Garud came, he has not seen Kagbhusundi yet. The minute he landed, the minute he observed, the minute he came into the aura of Kagbhusundi ji, his delusion got destroyed. Without any words, without anything being said, just being in the aura. कहते हैं ना, बुद्ध है या फिर बहुत ज्ञानी पुरुष होते हैं. When the animals, be it a tiger or a fox, even if it comes into the aura, they forget their nature of violence and hunting. Not only this, be it any person, if they come in the vicinity of a true sage, calmness will be felt. Right? We hear a lot about this sage who never used to say too much, Ramana Maharishi. The mere presence was enough. सबको अपने जवाब मिल जाते थे because there are no answers outside. The answers are within. The only thing is we have to just remove the veil of darkness, the veil of ignorance. बाकी तो we are all knowing, na? We are all Satchidanand Swarup. So when Garudji reached there, this delusion went. कहते हैं ना, गए नि भगति, क्या है? ज्ञानी भगत शिरोमणि त्रिभुवन पति कर जान ताहि मोह माया नर पावर करहि गुमान. Even Garud, the very crest jewel of devotees, an enlightened soul, and the mount of Lord Vishnu, was deluded by Maya, how absurd then the poor mortal, right, flaunts or wants immunity from it, right? So we understood, we have talked about Naradji, we have talked about Vishnuji, Shivji, we have talked about Brahmaji, we have talked about even Garudji. So then nobody is immune to it. But the minute, and again they say, Shiv Viranchi kaho mohi ko, hey, Bapura an, what is he saying? The Lord Maya, even Shiv and Brahma, the Lord's Maya deludes even Shiv and Brahma. Of what account is any poor creature? Bearing this in mind, the sage adore the divine and the feet of the Lord always. As jahi jani, bhajahi muni, Maya pati bhagavan. It is very difficult to, dodge Maya and move forward. So this is a reminder. हमें लगता है कि there could be somebody who's totally immune. नहीं. Many a times probably I wonder कि sages maintain a distance. That's why, कई बार होता है ना कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है. When you start living with somebody, you realize कि नहीं, कभी कभी कुछ हो जाता है. So they maintain a distance, they maintain seclusion. पता चले ये लोग भ्रमित हो जाएंगे. Knowing that probably I am also not perfect. Nobody is. Right? And this is a reassurance for us. कि जब शिवजी ब्रह्मा जी के साथ हो सकता है और अगर मेरे साथ हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं. There is chance. There is still a chance for improvement. So now when we went back, so when he came to this aura, गए गरुड़ जहां बसी बसुंडी, right? मति अकुंठ हरि भगति अखंड. गए गरुड़ जहां बसई बसुंडा, मति अकुंठ हरि भगति अखंडा. देखी सेल प्रसन्न मन भयहु, माया मोह सोच सब गयहु. He's saying Garud went to the abode of Basundi, as we said, right? Unhampered intellect, possessing uninterrupted devotion, constant, because we realize, right? He does not free himself from devotion at any point in time. हाथ से पैर से कहते हैं ना, बोलते उठते सोते जागते, he has totally occupied himself with devotion and Prabhu Chintan. So uninterrupted devotion is there. Of whom? The Lord. And at the sight of the mountain, Garud's heart rejoiced and he was rid of Maya. Just by the sight of the mountains, he was rid of Maya, delusion, infatuation, anxiety, everything went. Just by the sight of where Basundi was. Power. कहते हैं ना, why तीरथ, why this, why that. आजकल why बहुत आ गए हैं. The power that place holds, the energy that is there. कोई ना कोई तो ऐसा संत आया होगा ना. It is not that we are going to a temple and our temple is any less. We go to the temple because there may be some sage, some divine had come and we will get the charan dhuli of theirs. The dust we'll be able to feel. Their aura will be able to enter and that will purify us. प्रभु तो घर में भी वही है, बाहर भी वही है, right? But that bhakt, probably that bhakt has not come to my house. But kahin na kahin, I will enter the aura of that divine sage who is visiting these tirats. The energy will touch me and purify me. Sochiye, everything is very beautifully. And now he took a bath. He is ready. He is anxious. He does not want to waste any time. Abhi to delusion to chala gaya na. So when the delusion is gone, he should have gone back, but he said no. He's worried, pata nahi kab wapas aa jaye. Momentarily, we also become delusion free, right? We also become all elevated, all sattvic, no rajas tamas. But then kya hota hai? The oscillation starts, right? Suddenly we stoop down, suddenly we move up again. He says, no. I feel the delusion is gone, but I am sitting right here. I am not moving. He bathed himself and he sat down. And wahan kya dekhte hain? My Lord, I have been blessed. Now, when Garudji comes, everybody bows down their head in front of him, even Kagbhasundi. And the minute they say Garud, they see Garud, Kagbhasundi bolte hain, I am blessed, Nath Kritarth, Bhayo mein, Tav Darshan Khagraj. He is so blessed at the sight of Garud, Khago ke Raja, the king of the birds, right? And what is he saying? Ayus dei so karo ab, प्रभु आयो हो कही कांच, एंड प्लीज ब्लेस मी. काग भसुंडी बोल रहे हैं, है ना. काग भसुंडी सिंग, नाउ यू ब्लेस मी ओ माई मास्टर. गरुड़ को, राइट, वो तो आसन पे बैठे हैं. कालो कालो तक एवरी वी हर्ड, राइट, all the devas, all the daityas, even the sadhus and Maharaj, even the sages and the tapasvis, they take the form of a bird and sit in front of Kag Basundi to listen to Hari Katha. Shivji was one of them. And this Kag Basundi is so namra. The minute Garudji came, he joins his hand and he said, why have you come? Now it is a blessing to see you. Now he bows down his head and says, now tell me, what can I do for you? This is the namrata that is required. True Vakta can never have arrogance. सच में जब आपको समझ आ जाता है ना, तब there is no space for arrogance. दासों का दास, कहते हैं ना, दासो ना दास, is a servant of the servant of the servant of the Lord. That was Kag Basundi. And he is bowing down his head. He got down, he is touching the head, feet of Garud ji, because उसके ऊपर विष्णु जी का आसन रहता है. You know, Vishnu ji is always there. He is the savar of the vehicle of Vishnu ji. And वो कर रहे हैं. And this is the true thing. You know, sometimes what happens is we become attached to a designation, a position. We forget that this is all momentary. आज है, कल नहीं. Have you seen the way कोई आसन ले ले और उसके बाद में सब बाजू एंड ऊपर आसन नहीं. Suppose किसी को, and this is something that we were discussed in the Gita also. Suppose today a Vakta is doing a katha, ठीक है, जैसे काग भसुंडी अभी कथा कर रहे हैं, and suddenly काग भसुंडी gets down from the asan and somebody says, हो गई ना कथा, चलो ये लो झाड़ू, अब झाड़ू लगा दो, आश्रम भी तो साफ करना है. And without any ahem, if that person is able to hold the jhadu and maro the jhadu, that is a true devotee. It is just a role. Everybody is playing a role. कभी ये role तो कभी वो role. Where is the attachment to any role? Where is the attachment to any action? आज CEO और कल नहीं है. CEO है, sweeper बनने में क्या फर्क पड़ता है, चलो मैं भी झाड़ू लगा देता हूँ. That is the true essence of a human. What happens is one gets attached to a designation, one gets attached to a position, one gets attached to the recognition and the respect that position is bringing. And उसके बाद में बहुत depression होता है. We look at these stars and all. Once that attention is gone, look at what happens to them. Because they got attached to this. So over here, Kag Basundi is not attached. When on the asan, he is a Vakta. When below the asan, he is a Bhakt. So simple, so beautiful, so saral. And that is why the aura is so pure. And then kya hua? Again he says, you have always been a picture of blessedness. Replied the Lord of the feathered kingdom. Now they are applauding each other, right? Sada kritarth roopatum kaha mridu vachana khagesh. Now Garud ji bol rahe hain कि you are the divine one. मैं कौन हूं? You are so blessed all the time. See, देखिए, this is the beauty of a true devotee. या तो वो प्रभु की चर्चा करेंगे, they are going to, glorify the Lord or glorify the Bhakt. They don't believe in self-glorification ever. They are afraid of self-glorification because they all have gone through delusion and they know what it can do. So they bow down in front of everybody who comes in front of them. And then he says, what does he say? You have always been a picture of blessedness. And as I find that great Lord Shiv also listen to the Ram Katha from your mouth. तो आप मेरे को क्यों नमन कर रहे हैं? मैं आपको नमन कर रहा हूं. Just imagine two great devotees bowing down at each other's feet. Where is the ego? Rigidity, ego, मैं सही, तुम गलत, मैं बड़ा, तुम छोटा, मेरा काम है. आजकल भी teach children, learn to take credit. देखिए, it is good. संसार में हम सिखाते हैं, but it causes more harm than good because जब नहीं मिलता है ना appreciation and credit, depression comes in. Instead, can't we teach children to do good irrespective of whether somebody is watching or not? Whether somebody is giving you credit or not? Prabhu dekh raha hai na? That is enough. You do your best. Did I get the recognition? Did I get the credit? Somebody else took away my credit. करा तो मैंने था, प्रशंसा उसको मिल गई. क्या सिखा रहे हैं? हमारे ग्रंथ तो ये नहीं सिखाते. जहां काग भसुंडी में नहीं है, ना शिवजी में है, ना ब्रह्मा जी में है. They did not think on the way कि now that this Garud has come to me, why should I send him to somebody else? अब तो मैं ही ज्ञान दूंगा, मैं ही सही ज्ञान दे सकता हूं. They didn't. They all glorified the other. कि आप उधर चले जाओ, उधर चले जाओ, उधर चले, कहीं पे भी जाओ, ज्ञान तो लो. Right? It is not about who's speaking. It is about who the speaker is speaking about. It is not about the finger. It is about where the finger is pointing. And that should be the only objective. Prabhu se milana, khud se nahi. And what happens is mostly the problem arises because people get stuck with the speaker and they forget the divine. And that is what is happening. वो नहीं होना है. And that is what our scriptures are telling us. So now over here, he bows down and he says, I am so blessed that I am here. And he's saying, I am so blessed that you are here. And Garudji is so down to earth. He's saying, listen, dear one, the object for which I have come here has been fulfilled by, how has it been fulfilled? Has been fully accomplished, and I have also had the privilege of seeing you. I had delusion, my delusion is gone. Now I had the privilege of seeing you also. At the very sight of this most holy hermitage, my infatuation is gone. My doubt is gone. My misconception is gone. Everything is removed. Not a word of the Ram Katha has been said yet. ध्यान रखिए, भाव, our feelings travel faster than words. We can make sometimes we feel that there is so much of agitation in our house. Kyun? Where is the agitation coming from? Who is creating that agitation in the house? हम ही तो कर रहे हैं ना. We are changing the frequencies of our house. हम शांत, सामने वाला शांत, तो सब शांत हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. But what happens is one person gets agitated, we get more agitated. And then there is Tandav in the house. So over here saying, just by coming here, just by looking at the mountains, just by looking at you, my delusion is gone. Words are not needed. We preach, we try to say, we try to communicate. Probably not. What if from the heart we forgive? What if from the heart we accept? What if from the heart we are devoted? No outer words needed. They're very futile. So over here, everything has been removed. Right? But please, can you please still, I beg of you, narrate the story of Sri Ram to me. मुझे आप राम कथा सुना दीजिए. अब मुझे delusion नहीं है, मुझे doubt नहीं है, मुझे infatuation भी नहीं है. Because we might feel ना, only when we have a doubt do we have to listen to the Ram Katha. No. Even when everything is all right. कई बार होता है ना, not only doubt and delusion. Most of the prayers and the intense prayers happen when we are in trouble. प्रभु सबसे ज्यादा कब याद आते? जब सब कुछ उथल पुथल चल रहा होता है. The prayers have such intensity. The frequency increases, the intensity increases. Why not? दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई. जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. वही इंटेंसिटी रखिए ना जब सब कुछ सही है तब. We have all done this. Right? So he's saying, though there is nothing that is stopping me, the reason for which I had come is over, it's gone. I'm okay now. But can you please tell me the Ram Katha? देखिए, these are very important. They are saying no matter what, आपको लगता है I'm the purest, there is nothing wrong. अब क्या राम कथा सुननी? नहीं. आप सुनते रहिए constantly. So now he's asking, he's saying, please. What is he saying over here again? Basundi heard Garud's prayers, and Basundi ji was so humbled by the sincere love and delight and the pious, and there was like diffusion of joy from Garud. ऐसे ही थोड़ी वो विष्णु जी के वाहन थे. Over here they say, right? Sunat Garud ke gira binita. Humble. request, down to earth words. Gira Binita. Sarala, these words are very important. Saral, Supreme, Sukhad, Supunita. How are his words? हमारे शब्द कैसे होने चाहिए? No, we don't have to be diplomatic. We do not have to be hypocrites. We do not have to portray something. We do not have to show attitude in return of attitude. The words that touch the heart of another person are what? Sunat Garud ke gira binita. Vineet vachan, saral, supreme, sukhad, supunita. It's like, a class on communication can be taken here. How should the words be? They have to be humble, sincere, loving, genuine, delightful, pious. Those are the words which make an impact. हमें लगता है ना, wittily I said this, कुछ नहीं होगा. See, words are very superficial. We are we are different beings. We all feel. So we can go in feeling something else and use the greatest of words, we won't accomplish anything. But if we go in, mansa vacha karmana mein ek, and with this kind of a attitude, humble, sincere, loving, delightful, in any situation, be it a business meeting, be it a social meeting, be it with our children, what comes from the heart, touches the heart. Nothing much is needed there. So over here, he was so delighted. Such devout words, such down-to-earth words, such humble words from Garudji is coming. He just did not know what to do. He just sat down on the asan because he was delighted that I will get a chance to talk about Sri Hari in front of the greatest devotee, in front of such a pious soul. Garudji is thinking he is blessed, but Kagbhasundi is thinking he does not know how blessed I am. And he starts narrating. And yahan pe the description comes. It is like a summary. From the beginning, from the Baal Kand to Ayodhya Kand, going on to Aranya Kand, Kishkinda Kand, Sundar Kand, Uttar Kand, ek ke baad, ek ke baad, ek ke baad, ek. In a nutshell, these verses cover the entire story of Sri Ram. From the beginning, from his childhood Leela, right? From the time and before that, from when Ravan had started destructing and causing destruction in this world, from when Sri Hari took permission from Ma Kaushalya to be born. Dekhiye na, Prabhu came to Ma Kaushalya. He said, see, I am going to take avatar if you give me permission. And at that time, Ma said, listen, you take avatar, I have no problem, but I do not want to remember you like this. I want to remember you as my child, right? Yes, please come, but be my child. Let only the memory of you being my child be there, because I want to love you with all my heart. And the minute the Lord heard these words, kehte na, Rodan Athana, he started crying like a baby. And he came to Ma Kaushalya. That was the first interaction of this divine energy with Ma Kaushalya. Even when he came as Krishna to Devaki, he came and he took permission first. He said, see, I am going to take avatar. मैं प्रकट होने वाला हूं आपके गर्भ से. Will you give me permission, mother? And she again said, no, I will give you permission. Please come. But let me remember you as my child. And in front of Yashoda also this happened. ऐसा नहीं है, the Lord does not tell them. But by choice, they want to love the Lord. They don't want to understand him. He said, जो मजा आपको प्यार करने में आपको जानने में नहीं है प्रभु. It is okay. मैं आपको बिना जाने ही प्यार करना चाहती हूँ बस. Forever love. Sometimes, when you know something, that desire to have that thing, or when you have something, the desire diminishes, right? The thing of diminishing utility. So over here, Ma Yashoda also, when Shri Krishna opened his mouth, she saw the entire Brahmand in Shri Krishna's mouth. Yes or no? And she said, oh my God, I've been running after a stick. After you with a stick. I've been chasing you. I've been scolding you. I've been treating you like my son. But he said, but I am your son. Well, no, you're not my son. तुम तो प्रभु मेरे से गलती हो गई, मुझे माफ कर दो. And वो हाथ जोड़ के बैठ गई. And the Lord felt, अब तो ये मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करेगी. He wanted to feel love too, right? He wanted to feel like a child. Mother's love is the greatest, कहते हैं ना. So he said, okay. He took away that vision from her. And Maya Devi said, you have cheated your mothers. You cheated Kaushalya, you cheated Ma Devaki, you're cheating Ma Yashoda. And now they will revel in Maya. They said, no, I'm not cheating them. I desperately want to be loved by them. So for the moment, I am putting the veil of Maya, but Maya will never touch them. They will never be bound by Maya. They will be here, they'll be acting, but they will always be immune to it. Ye mera vada raha. So the same Lord, from the beginning of his avatar to where we had stopped in Ramayana, the entire Ramcharitramanas was narrated to Garudji. And Garudji got overwhelmed. He said, Gayo more sandeha suneyo. Just by listening to the Ram Katha, right? The संदेह जो कुछ भी शायद हो सकता था वो भी चला गया. गया हो मोर संदेह सनेहू सकल रघुपति चरित. सुन है ना क्या? By just listening to what? राम जी का चरित. Over here they have mentioned charit. Charit क्या होता है? The character, his virtues, his values, the way in the mortal form he lived in this world. प्रभु को सामने बैठा लिया, बहुत सुंदर है. भजन कीर्तन करा, बहुत सुंदर है. पर it is more beautiful to know him, know his values, know what he stood for, know how he acted in adverse situations, know how he behaved when somebody harmed him so much, with love to माँ केकई forever. कभी किसी से द्वेष नहीं, कभी किसी से गिला नहीं. Always namra, always in control, always pure. So what happened? What liberated him even further was Raghupati ka charitra, right? Character. See, we can give everything to our child, we can give everything to ourselves, but if we miss on character and virtue, it is a great loss. सब कुछ छूटे. कई बार होता है ना, no, this is something that we have to accomplish. At what expense? At what expense? Never at the expense of character, nor for ourselves, nor for the children. एक चीज कम कर लेंगे, एक मार्क कम आ जाएगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, पर उनका कैरेक्टर नहीं खराब होना चाहिए. The virtues should not go. The wisdom should not go. But what happens nowadays, we chase success so much at the expense of character. कहते हैं ना, by hook or by crook. नहीं. It's not worth it ever. By hook or by crook, everything is fair in love and war. राम ने हमें ये नहीं सिखाया, कृष्ण ने हमें ये नहीं सिखाया. If we read the Mahabharata deeply, we'll understand उसने भी हमें ये नहीं सिखाया. Because after a shallow reading, we say कृष्ण तो छलिया थे. अरे उनका लेवल ही अलग था. उसको समझने के लिए we need a lot of divine help. Then Bhayo Ram Patane, what happened is just by listening to Ram Charit, the way he was, the characteristics, the values, I have fallen in love with Ram's feet. गरुड़ जी बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे राम, अभी तो विष्णु के वाहन थे, right? He has fallen in love with Ram's feet. तब प्रसाद बयास तिलक. What is he saying? My doubt has gone. Now that I have heard the whole Sri Ramayana and the Ramji's Charitra, the narrative is sitting in my heart by your grace, right? And, oh best of crows, I have developed devotion to his feet. मैं अब राम जी के चरण का दास बन गया हूं. And what happened? That bewilderment that had possessed me when I saw Lord bound in the battle. Shri Ram, कैसे? कोई नहीं सकता. Because he is all knowledgeable, all blissful, personified. How can he be ever tied? ये सब एक लीला है. It is just a play. And the minute we understand this, the minute we calm down for a while and we realize that everything is but a play, will we ever get bewildered? We do, right? Everything bewilders us. The surrounding, the people, the situations. हम सबसे उत्तेजित हो जाते हैं. लीला है, माया है, खेल है, होने दो. So he's saying कि I have realized it's a beautiful leela that he's playing. But the thing is, he says, it so closely resembled the human being. Because हम भी तो ऐसे है ना, कभी रो देते हैं, कभी हार जाते हैं, कभी बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं, कभी डर जाते हैं. So he is playing a role just like a human. And Ma Sati also got bewildered, right? She also had a delusion. She said, ये राम है जो फूट फूट के रो रहा है माँ सीता के लिए. तो वैसे ही मुझे हो गया था. But it is just a leela. But he is playing it so beautifully. The role that is being played, हमारे आसपास में भी ना, the movie that is being shown is so beautiful that we get so caught up. Even when we are watching a movie, sometimes we get so caught up that we are beyond. We forget the reality around us कि हम लोग तो बैठ के movie देख रहे हैं. And after that also many people say that movie haunted me for a week. It is still sitting in my heart after a month. And even when I think about that movie, it makes me cry. Happens or not? There are certain movies. So this is all that is today. Around us, it is just an amazing art work of play. And he says, I found it so closely resembling the human beings that, I got carried away. Right? But now I have understood my error. Thanks to you, your blessing, अब मुझे सब समझ आ गया है. I am not going to get caught again. Never. And had I not thus fallen, and he's thinking, why did all this happen to me? There is a very beautiful saying that I came across. हम लोग थोड़े ज़्यादा बड़े हो गए ना, भगवान ने हमें सोचने की शक्ति कुछ ज़्यादा ही दे दी है ना. We are analytical minds, so we think about everything. Look at a child. He falls on the ground. छोटा सा बच्चा होता है ना. He'll fall down. He'll get up, गिर गया, and again he starts playing. Does he think, oh my God, I fell down. There must be a reason behind it, or there must be a lesson to be learnt. He does not think that way. गिर गया, उठा, खेलना शुरू. And after a while, he does not even remember that he fell. क्या हुआ? अरे हाँ, गिर गया था. Not a thought about what is it trying to teach me. But we are very analytical, विवेकी जीव है ना, तो हम तो सोचेंगे, even if something pricks us, there has to be a reason. What is it trying to teach me? कोई बात नहीं. So गरुड़ से ठीक है, it is okay. वो भी सोचना सही है. I think everything that happened to me, the delusion was a reason that the Lord wanted me to come and meet you. If I had not been deluded, would I have run to Narad Muni? Would I have run to Shivji? Would I have run to Brahma ji? I would have thought, ना मुझे तो सब पता है, मैं क्यों जाऊं किसी के पास में? So everything was done by the Lord for a reason, and the reason was that I should come and meet you. मैं आपके समक्ष आ जाऊं. So it was a blessing in disguise. जो कुछ भी हुआ, I was thinking this is the most horrible thing that has happened to me, but actually it was a blessing in disguise. And that is what is the story of our life also. The most horrible thing is a blessing in disguise. एक दिन समझ आएगा. कहते ना, in retrospect, when I think back, it was actually good, that happened to me. But at that time, I was broken, I was beaten, I was depressed, running to a psychologist. नहीं. He says, मुझे भी ऐसा हुआ कि मुझे भी लगा कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्या हो गया. But actually this is the best thing. Had I not been broken and beaten, had I not been deluded and egoistic, I would not have come to you, right? And because of all this, I got to see you. How blessed I am. The Lord never does anything to punish us. Everything that happens is to teach us. देखिए, या तो हम बच्चे बन जाएं, है ना? That is the best way to be. ठीक है? The best way to be is कि आप गिर जाओ और आप उठो and सोचो बिना. Fall down and start playing again. Get up and start playing again like the child. That is the best way to be, which is very difficult, right? But if we cannot be childlike, कि we fall and get up and smile and don't even realize it, don't go into the depth of the reason for it. And if we want to go into the depth of the reason for it, just think to ourselves कि whatever is happening, be it dirty, ugly, gruesome, there has a reason. The reason is my betterment, my spiritual upliftment. प्रभु कुछ समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा होगा. जो कुछ भी मेरे साथ हो रहा है, it is for my own good. It is going to be an opportunity for me to rise in this field of spirituality. It is going to take me nearer to the Lord. रहते ना? Life is but a dream. Let the vision seize. Life is but a dream. Let the vision seize. But if you can't, fill your hours with selfless love and service free. They're giving us alternatives, right? कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते तो ये सोचो कि जो कुछ भी हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है मेरे भले के लिए हो रहा है. He is my father, he is my mother, he is never going to punish me. He is trying to teach me something beautiful. So यही बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, had I not fallen prey to this infatuation, how could it have been possible for me to meet you? And how could I get an opportunity to hear the charming and the most wonderful story of Sri Hari that you have sung in all its details? The Veds, the Tantras, the Purans are at one on this point, and so declare the Siddhas and the sages that the fellowship of a genuine sage is only attained by those who Sri Ram regards with favor. देखिए, he's saying everything is a blessing because I got to meet you, because it is said in all our scriptures, the Veds, the Tantras, the Mantras, everything, the Shrutis and the Smritis, that the greatest gift is meeting a saint, meeting a sage, meeting a devotee of the Lord. And even if we end up losing everything else and are left with only one thing, that is the company of the good, we should feel कि प्रभु की कृपा हुई है. Right? प्रभु की कृपा हुई है. And that is what he's saying. Everything is futile. Only the company of the saint, company of the good, company of Sat. And when we are getting Sat Sangati is what matters. And I'm so blessed that that happens only with Kripa. Whose Kripa? Prabhu Kripa. See, then we'll all say कि कृपा तो सबके पर होनी चाहिए. Is the Lord partial? No, the Lord is not partial. कृपा तो सब पे हो रही है. Right? कृपा is always there. पर बाहर की धूप ना आए तो मैंने कर्टन लगा लिया. बारिश से मैं गीली ना हूं तो मैंने छतरी पकड़ ली. तो कृपा रुक जाती है. But then you'll say कि then the कृपा should be ना कि I remove that umbrella. Yes, that is कृपा. सब कुछ, everything is कृपा. Meeting a saint also happens by kripa. It is not by our effort. The way our mind works, the what we want to see, where our feet take us is all kripa. Prabhu kripa. And Garud is saying it is all his kripa. If the kripa would not have been there, could I ever meet a saint? Could I ever listen to the Ram Katha? How blessed I am to be in your company. And on hearing this, we'll just end with this. Sunoho bhigapati bani sahit binay anuraga. Now, Garudji is speaking with such modesty and affection. When a genuine heart speaks, people understand. Right? Pata padta hai. Right? It is very, very, very normal. When a genuine heart speaks with modesty and affection, the other person understands. Now, while he is listening to this, who is overjoyed? Kag Bhasundi is overjoyed again. His heart is overwhelmed. Every hair on his body is stood erect. कई बार बोलते ना, आज आपने जो बोला, when somebody says something and if it touches your heart, you'll realize goose flesh, ekdam. Every hair on your hand will stand erect. It happens to us, isn't it? So he's saying tears are rushing down his eyes just by listening to what he is saying. And over here Shivji says, Uma, saints reveal their profoundest secrets. ये जो साधु संत होते हैं ना, अपना रहस्य हर किसी को नहीं बताते. They are not vyakul to share, as we discussed, right? They are not desperate to share. They give the deepest of their secrets to whom? Profoundest of their secrets, when they find a listener who is not only intelligent, virtuous and pious, but fond of Sri Ram's story, who is a devotee of Sri Hari. देखिए, हमेशा ना, this is so beautiful and this is relevant to everything. Knowledge is never given. Knowledge is pulled. ठीक है? And this is applicable in all walks of life, from school to anywhere you sit to get knowledge. Knowledge is not given, knowledge is pulled. Right? आप कितना ज्ञान खींच के निकाल सकते हो? ज्ञान आप लेते हो. Right? How? When the true devotion starts and this true devotion shines, knowledge flows and knowledge is pulled. Right? And so Kag Bhasundi and Garud will continue, because Kag Bhasundi is going to confess. He is going to say, see, you came to me thinking that I never got deluded. I'll tell you how I got deluded. And that is what is going to come next. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.